how are you? Welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna show you how I wash my clothes, and I'm gonna show you the brand of what do you call that thing, washing machine that I use. I'm sure you all are thinking, oh, she's so bougie, she has a washing machine. There's a fly trying to embarrass me here. Well, when I show you the washing machine, we shall see how bougie you think I am. So let's do that. As you can see, these are my clothes, all 6 of them. But yeah, I normally don't have that much washing, so that's why you can see. And of course, I have to do the towel for dramaticness. Anyway, so we walk through the kitchen. Don't look around, guys. Don't look around. And there's my machine. There she is. Hey girl, hey. So this machine is a Tagwood machine. It's a 3 kg machine, as you can see. It's blue and white. 3 kg, see, I'm telling you. And when you open inside, as you can see, it's really small, very small. But it does the magic. Tagwood is the company. It's blue and white, as I said, very small. So this is what I do. Fill a bucket with water. I don't think I showed that. Fill it in with water up to the side or slightly above. Then I turn it around just so that you guys can see what's happening. Then I take that's my hoodie. I can only do very few at a time, so I do the hoodie first, put it in, make sure it soaks in the water. After that, you'll need some soap. I use liquid soap. It was actually my first time. I normally use Ariel, it's a powder soap. After I've put in my soap, I close the cover, and then I set the timer for 3, 5, or 10 minutes, depending on how long I want it to take. I wanted to add that after it washes, I remove my hoodie, wring it, rinse it, and now I am draining the machine. It drains on its own, so you just pour in clean water and it just drains on its own. This machine is really small, so I have to rinse my own clothes and then hang them because the little spinner is too small to fit even one dress. So after I do all that, I hang them out, and today was a sunny day. I hope you enjoyed this. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Lillian, and I make videos. I'm not sure where this channel is heading to, but I thought that if I continue making videos, I'll figure it out along the way. So today's video is about how I do my laundry. Now, my little washing machine, which does all the work, by the way, as you have seen, is really small. It's a 3 kg washing machine, and what happens is I hook it up, I put the clothes inside, and then I put soap and water, and then it washes the clothes for me. And then I have to remove and wring them out, rinse them, and hang them, because it's such a small machine. It cannot be able to what do you call, to spin dry for me. And even if it does, it comes, the bucket for spinning is so tiny that it can only fit like 2 pairs of socks and a handkerchief. So it doesn't make sense. So yeah, it's 3 kgs. It's Tagwood, the company. I got it off of Jumia. It costed me 4,999. I wanted to get a machine because I hate washing, but I couldn't afford the 50k ones because it's 50,000 shillings, and I wasn't gonna go and get 50,000 shillings and buy a machine off the bat. No, I decided I'm gonna save for it, and then I'm gonna eventually buy it. So when I saw this one, I thought, let me try. Now, if you're single, you go to work and you come back, you go to the gym and you come back, you maybe play a sport and then you come back home, that machine is perfect. It will do your washing. You will never have to bend and do your washing ever again. Nope. It does all that for you. But I came to realize that it doesn't do a very good job, because like when I'm trying to, like when I was doing my mom's clothes and she had some what do you call, makeup on some of her white shirts, I had to kind of wash them off a little before I threw them in there because it wasn't doing a good job. So it's for a very lightweight, not lightweight, it's for very light stains, preferably like sweat stains, beverage stains. But any mud stains or grass stains or, you know, these tough stains, it ain't gonna help you. It's not gonna do the job. So yeah, I've had it for about a year. No, yeah, roughly a year. And so far so good. I don't regret it because it helps me with my washing. I'm not a fan of washing clothes, but at least with this, it makes my washing clothes experience interesting. So if I take about 2 or 3 days, I can be able to do my washing maybe 2 cycles and I'm done. And it doesn't even take a lot of electricity. Like I haven't changed my electric bill in those couple of months that I've had it. I haven't had to buy extra electricity because of it. No. What else? Would I say buy it if you're a single person? Yeah, but it's not a long-term investment. It's just something to help you along the way. It's very small, doesn't take much clothes. Like for me, if it's like something like this, a flimsy material, maybe I can do 2 or 3 dresses. But if it's like a heavier material, I can only do maybe 1 dress, depending on how heavy the material is. So it's not like a long-term investment, but I enjoy washing clothes now, and I never did. So yeah, as you're saving up for the bigger machine, you can use this one. It will make washing fun. It will make it interesting. It won't be as boring as it used to be. And yeah, so far so good. I think I like the service that it has given me, and it has never given me any issues. Even when I got it from Jumia, I never got any issues, and it's really lightweight, so it's not like it's gonna be something really heavy to carry. And it does a good job. It doesn't use a lot of water and soap. There's no special soap for it, so just water. You can use your liquid soap like as you saw me use, or you can use your Omo, your Sunlight, Ariel. It doesn't really matter. It does the job either way. And I think that's it. It's really small and compact, so it fits in any small corner of your house. You don't even have to think about it. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's all that I can talk about when it comes to my 3 kg washing machine from Tagwood that I got on Jumia. So I hope you find this video informative, and if you find it silly, I don't blame you. It's such a small thing, but it does so much for me. And yeah, so it was a good thing for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, because we gotta grow them numbers, eh? And have a beautiful, beautiful day. Bye.